Vivo has silently launched its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y60. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y60 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera department, the Vivo Y60 sports a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, IR Blasto, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.1 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y60 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Obsidian Black, Wave Blue, and Wave Purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y60 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.